Hi, recently my car turned 15. I wanted to make a vlog which is kind of different from usual ones. So here's how I keep it fit and maintained day in, day out. A much needed spray paint for the rims and the drum brakes. So this was a long pending checklist of mine, and finally I got it done. And now the gear stick operates without any friction or resistance whatsoever. I found out that the CV joints were leaking and this needed urgent repair. They initially flushed out the gear oil from the differential, and then they had to open the wheel arrangement. The socket was fine. It had to get the boot removed. They added fresh grease, placed the bearings back. Here they are adjusting the spring, the mount, and putting back the wheel. The engine bay and the car got a much needed thorough wash. I had the wheel caps done. Right now I'm kind of cleaning the overall body and applying Formula One wax polish in circular motion like so. And then I would leave it for at least half an hour or let's say 40 minutes. I'm reaching back to the engine bay to do a thorough engine flush. This would help remove any kind of debris and thoroughly clean the innards of the engine, which is essentially unreachable. Right now I'm pouring about 500 ml of engine flush. It's about time for the wax polish to go, and this is how I wipe it off. It leaves a oily film on top and it prevents dust from settling. I got this 12 volt to 3.6 volt adapter for USB charging from Flipkart, and I got it installed from the radio output. I'm about to start the car and leave it for like at least 30 to 40 minutes. Every 5 or 6 minutes, I would rev it up just so that the engine flush reaches every crack and crevices. See, I'm tilting the car from one end. This would help me thoroughly pour out the used engine oil after flushing is done. I'm putting this plastic tray just underneath the engine sump, but I had a problem with the nut. It refused to come out, so I had to call in a mechanic for help. He successfully drained out the engine oil, and he also helped me fill fresh engine oil. The car is running much smoother and giving much better fuel efficiency than before. I hope you like it. Take care.